Welcome back. I'm glad you're still with us. You're here, then that means you have already taken a huge step. You are here because you are ready to do something about the pain, the uncertainty, or the distance you have been feeling, both in you and in your relationship. And that is powerful. You might be wondering, will therapy really work for me? It's completely natural to feel uncertain, especially when you're not sure what to expect from the process. But here's the truth: therapy works. It works because it's not just about talking through problems, it's about real transformation. Think of it like tuning up a car. Over time, things starts to wear down and your car's performance slows. You don't ignore it. You take action, you upgrade, and you get that car running like a new car again. Therapy works the same way for your mental well being and your relationship. It helps you clear out emotional blockages and old patterns, allowing you to feel more at peace and connected both with yourself and your partner. Now, you might wonder, how long will this take and how can I be sure that it will work for me? The sooner you start, the sooner you heal. Think about it like this: the longer you carry the emotional baggage, the heavier it gets. The more unresolved hurts, stresses from work, family pressure, and relationship tension you hold on to, the harder it becomes to move forward. Therapy helps you to unpack that baggage, and the sooner you start, the faster you feel lighter, clearer, and more capable of facing life's challenges with confidence. Will therapy truly work for me? I can guarantee it will. Not because it's a quick fix, but because with the right guidance and your commitment to therapy provides the tools to create lasting changes. Just like you invest in other important aspects of your life, your health, your career, your happiness, investing in therapy is investing in your mental well-being. We have helped 12,000 couples, with 96% of our clients seeing improvements. And we have been trusted for over 9 years to guide people through these exact struggles. It's not just about marriage. It is about helping you build a life for your emotional peace, inner strength, and deeper connection with your partner. Now let's talk about the cost of therapy. Many people worry about the price tag, and we understand that. But think of it like this: what is the value of peace of mind, emotional well-being, and a relationship where you truly feel understood and loved? Therapy isn't an expense, it's an investment. It's an investment in your mental health and happiness and the future of your relationship. It's like subscribing to a service that gives you access to the tools and support you need to live a more fulfilling life. Just like paying for a streaming service that brings endless value, therapy brings endless rewards in emotional peace and stronger relationships. Here's a thought: if you could invest just 2% of your wedding budget into therapy, imagine what it could do for your marriage and your mental well-being. More understanding, better communication, deeper love, and the confidence to face life's challenges together. Isn't that worth it? Research shows that emotionally focused couple therapy has a 76% success rate, and with our experience, we can help you see even better results. Therapy isn't just about fixing problems, it's about creating a better version of yourself and a better version of your relationship. The benefits are lifelong and far outweigh the costs. The sooner you take the action, the sooner you can start experiencing. Don't wait for things to get harder. The emotional clarity, peace of mind, and deeper connection you deserve are within your reach. We are here for you every step of the way. Thank you.